Most platforms force you into pre-canned analysis like 1-year, 3-year, or 5-year numbers. Your holding periods don't fit those boxes. FastTrack lets you analyze any time period. In this video, I'll show you how. I'm going to use the February to April 2005 tariff drawdown as an example, but this works for any time frame you care about. Let's go. I'm logged into FastTrack, and I'm on the chart page. In red, I have SPY, a large and popular S&P 500 ETF. I've got a 1-year chart up. Now I'm going to highlight the early 2025 drawdown with my mouse. This is the period we want to analyze. See this? February to April, around 40 market days. That's the tariff sell-off. When I highlight this area, a button appears in the upper right. It says Sheet. This will launch the spreadsheet with this exact time frame of our chart highlight. Let me click it now. All right, we're on the sheet page now. I've preloaded this with a group of equity and alternative funds, no bonds. We're looking to see which securities performed well during this specific time frame. Notice the dates up here. February 19th to April 21st, 2025. Every metric you see, returns, max drawdown, standard deviation, Sharpe ratio, all calculated for this exact period. Let me rank by total return first. What actually went up during the drawdown? Interesting, we're seeing a lot of precious metal funds gain. A move to safe havens is to be expected during a sell-off. Now let me flip it. Worst performers. Look at this. High beta, growth-oriented funds got hammered, down 25–30%. These amplify your downside risk. Let me sort by risk-adjusted return instead, Sharpe ratio. Now we're seeing which funds had the best return relative to their volatility during this period. Different ranking, different insights. The point here isn't which specific funds won or lost during the tariff sell-off. The point is, I can now analyze any group of funds during any time frame I choose, not just preset 1-year, 3-year, 5-year boxes. What other time frames could you analyze? Your actual purchase date, a specific crisis, peak to peak instead of calendar years. Whatever matters to your strategy. Your holding periods don't fit preset boxes. Your analysis shouldn't either. Try it. Pick a time frame that matters to you.